Today our group would like to tell you a bit of how Earth is turned into a mess, how overdrafting animals to extinction has happened, how coral reefs are destroyed, how we are poisoning our ocean. The air we breathe in is made from something called trees. What are trees? Trees are our everything. They clean up our pollution that we humans leave back, they store water and create medicine that cures our diseases, and it provides food that feeds us, and we destroy them. We cut them down with machines for a small piece of paper called money that we humans believe can buy anything but not nature that we destroyed. We put greed above need, profit above people. We poison the ocean so much that you get affected swimming in it. We call this destruction as making progress.
The name Pacific Garbage Patch has led many to believe that this area is a large and continuous patch of marine debris items, such as bottles and other litter that should be visible with satellites or aerial photographs. But in fact, this is not the case. While higher concentration of little items can be found in this area, much of the debris is actually small pieces of floating plastic that are not immediately evident to the naked eye. The microplastic of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch can simply make the water look like a cloudy soap. This soap is intermixed with the largest items such as fishing gears and shoes. Ocean debris is continuously mixed by wind and wave action, while it's spread out over huge surface area and throughout the top portion of the water columns. It is possible to sail through the garbage patch areas in the Pacific and see very little or even no debris on the surface. It is also difficult to estimate the size of these patches because the borders and the contents constantly change with the ocean currents and winds.
How much humans care about wildlife. The environment was front and center of public consciousness and a key election focus in Australia in 2007. But following the global financial crisis and continuing economic uncertainty, we seem to care less and less about environment and more than about budgets and surpluses. If the environment were a bank and species is money, it would need a rescue package that would make the recent European bailout look insignificant.
Bleaching of coral occurs when the algae inside the coral was expelled. Extreme climate change, pollution, and extreme low tide can cause bleaching of coral reefs. The study of researchers showed that the rate of bleaching raised more than 4 times from the year 1980 to 2016 because of the extreme climate change. What would happen if coral reefs disappear because of bleaching? 1/4 of aquatic animals need coral reef to survive. Also, coral reef supply food for humans and guard shoreline from storm.
Have you ever heard of the Amazon desert? Guess what? Once it was called the Amazon rainforest and there were billions of trees there back then, before we destructed it. We use nature as our credit card with no limits, overdrafting animals to extinction and stealing the future generations' chances to see how amazing they are. But it's not too late if we change. Nothing is too late to change. Please, Earth is surviving.